Hello viewers, welcome to my Doctor Who themed YouTube channel, Who Ventures, and here we are unboxing the January 2018 Amazing Mystery Box, and this is £50 a month and there's loads of Doctor Who goodies in it. I'm kind of nervous because something sounds rather jangly, but let's see if everything's intact and what we got. Aha, I see. That's what's going on. So, first of all, this is what was jangling. Oh, wow. Oh, we got, well, first of all, we've got these. If I can get the TARDIS tongues. We've got TARDIS tongues. I always have to test everything on my face. I don't know why. TARDIS tongues. Oh, TARDIS tongues. TARDIS tongues. I could use this for food. You could just use it as a sock puppet. Look, it's Dalek shape, but it's a TARDIS. TARDIS tongues, TARDIS tongues, TARDIS tongues. I love that. And then the next thing, we got the TARDIS key. The TARDIS key. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy too. I haven't got one of these. Oh, now I have. No. It's amazing. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, this is so cool. And it goes with my t-shirt. And you can put the key. Not even. I love it, 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 love it. Then we've got Sarah Jane. Let's release her from the packaging. So we got Sarah Jane and she's got that really cute outfit on. I don't know if I'd already got this one or not, but oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is awesome, this box is awesome. I love getting this box, it really has good value. TARDIS tongues. And then we've, see what happened. And then we've got another Eagle Moss Partworks figurine, and this is the Weeping Angel. See, that's really cool. I see what happened. The necklace, I think, was meant to be displayed in this box, but the box came open. But it's fine, nothing's broken. Then we've got socks. My favourite item to get in a surprise box. I love getting socks, they're awesome. And the TARDIS socks with the TARDIS on. Oh, cool. Then we've got the Top Trumps collector's tin. Now I did already get one of these in when I had the kids box and the adults box, so I already have one of these, but it's still really cool and it's nice for putting the Battles and Time cards in, or any other small Doctor Who items you want to store in a cute lunchbox, or to even use it as a lunchbox. It is brilliant. I love it. Sorry, Sarah. Then we've got another Target book. It's the 10th Planet. This, I think I already got the 10th Planet one too. It's kind of annoying because some of these, like the Twin Dilemma and 10th Planet, they're so commonly given away that you end up with loads of the same title. But it's still really cool to get one. And this one is 1985 copy when I was 5 years old, and this is in really good condition, so it's really cool. Ooh. Then we have the signed cover, and it's Tom Baker, a Tom Baker autograph, so that's really cool. Also, this is number 1295 of 2500, so that's also that. Oh, cool. Then we've got a t-shirt. I can open it. This is a t-shirt. Ah, that's awesome. I haven't got anything with that picture on at all. Oh my god. That's so cool. I love that. And that's everything that's in this month's box. So, great box. I love a lot of the items. Some of them are repeats that I've already got, unfortunately. But it's still, I love getting this box. It's really cool. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And thank you for watching. Yay!